All right, so what's up, everyone? So it's time to clean the tank. So right now, my sidekick, she's not here at the moment. She's watching YouTube, one of her favorite little shows. But anyway, it's time to clean the tank. So I'm gonna go over pretty much everything I do to keep the tank in good standing. So it's been, we got it at the beginning of the year. So like I said, still amateur as far as to having a fish tank, meaning beginner. But over these past months, I learned a lot. So I'm gonna go over pretty much everything I can and just share what it takes to clean the tank. So let me zoom in. So the tank looks all kind of wild. We got this laying around. We got snails. We got algae back there. You can't really tell from the video, but along the line, just like algae slowly growing. Got some debris up there. Over time, I noticed that the water kind of depletes over time. I don't know what's the reason for that. So when I change the water, it's usually to about here. So it's been about a month and the water's down here. I don't know. I'm not sure. I ain't figured that out yet. So for the experts, y'all probably can tell me. Heater's still functioning pretty good. This plant's new. The sponge filter back there still doing its job, but you can see it has some corrosion, kind of, not corrosion, but just grime and all kind of crap. Yeah. So you can see back there the filter got some type of debris. Yeah, so pretty much I'm gonna clean it. I'm going to organize it, fix the turtle, fix the little fish, put the plant here, and then eventually I'm gonna get some more fish. So these fish, all these fish right here have been lasting for about a few months. I would say this one right here is the newest one. This is like one of my favorite ones. This guy right here, or girl. That's another thing I need to understand which one is a boy and girl. I don't know. I think I could tell from some. See, like the Mickey Mouse right here. This is a Mickey Mouse platy, and then that's another one. So I think that's a girl because it's smaller, and then that one is always following it. They always together. So I think that's the boy, but I don't know. And then another thing, all these snails came out of I don't know where these snails came from. Someone told me they could have came from the plant, the last plant we had. That's what I'm thinking. And then they just like multiplied like crazy. So yeah. But when I clean it right now, so some of them about to probably get sucked up out of the little tube that I use. So sorry about that. What else? I feed them once a day, and usually at night. Also, in my opinion, I used to use these little flakes, but I don't use these anymore because in my opinion, it seemed like the tank get a lot dirtier when I use those flakes. So now I use some little pellets. It's like these little pellets. And I had got these for when we had the little algae eater, but every time I put the pellet in there, all the fish eat it, and they just that's all I've been using for months. And yeah. So what else? For the fish, sometimes some fish will die. We haven't had. It's been at least a month since one died. So sometimes they die, but these have been living for a long time, and we want to get more fish. So I'm gonna clean it, wait a couple days, and then add more fish. So we'll get some new members up in here. Also, Sidekicks here.
Hi.
All right, she back. So also for beginners, if you think about getting a fish tank, make sure you get that sponge filter, make sure you have your regular filter, and then the heater. You going again? She's out of here. And then plants. So make sure you get live plants. So the live plants is what's key as far as if you got a lot of fish, because what was the reason why? So I went to a fish store or whatever, and they said the more live plants you got, the better it is, because it the tank, having the fish in there when they poop and do all that stuff, the live plants help to neutralize, I forgot the word. It pretty much helps to neutralize all the waste that's in there. But it's a word, so you guys can do your whole homework on that. So get live plants if you plan on having a lot of fish. What else? So yeah. Oh, how I clean it. So I'll use this right here. So what I'll do is I'll put it in there, use this little suction cup, and yeah, so I'll take about a little less than, I'll take about a quarter, so about let's say about that much water out, and then I'll just put replace it with the just tap water, but you got to have the water conditioner. So this is the water conditioner I use, and then yeah, put the conditioner in, put the water, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna try to do is show, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Because I'm just holding it with my hand. I'm gonna start to clean it and show you how it looks when you start sucking up all of like the crap and the grime that's down here, right? So let's get to it. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out pretty much all this stuff here, and I'm gonna put it in the little bucket, and then I'm going to wipe down the glass, like the inside of it, get all this cleaned up and wipe it all down, and then I'm gonna start to clean out the bottom. So all right guys, so I pretty much got majority of all the decor out. So now I'm gonna show y'all how I clean up the crap in here. So you can see it's a lot of crap. So I just take the suction, and then what's going to happen is it's going to start sucking, and then I just move it from section to section. See how all that stuff is coming up? So I'm gonna do this for the whole tank, and till it's clean. All right, so you can see the dirty water. So I'm about to go dump this outside, but you can see pretty much how ugly and disgusting that look. So looks pretty bad. Yeah, so I'm gonna dump this outside in the plants, and just, well, not my plants, but just the outside plants. So yeah. All right, so nighttime, we got a little visitor.
Rodent.
She want to help us out, so yeah. So I'm just gonna pour it out.
Please do. My water's ugly. Crusty,
Water
musty,
is
dusty, and dusty. Yes, it's creepy out here.
Alright, so
Go up.
all that water. So yeah.
Dang.
All right, so that took about 20 minutes. We back. As you can see, the difference at the water. So I moved the plant over here. Got this guy right here. Put the live plant back over there, and I took out the little that little pink fish head that was right there. Then of course the ice, yeah, that guy. And then we got ice cream still there, And yeah, looking good. I cleaned off, I wiped off the sponge filter, the regular filter, cleaned that all off. Got all the dirt out the bottom. Put the
Maya.
what you call that stuff? The conditioner. Put the conditioner in there. And yeah, you can see the fish swimming around, having fun. So next thing is I'm gonna let it sit for a couple days, and then we'll go get more fish. So that's how we clean the fish tank. Water is always clear. So what's going on over here? Uh-oh. Hey you. Got the dog over there going crazy. But yeah, so as you can see,
Okay, let me
tank
put
looks
this on the
good.
bed. You won't attack.
So yeah, like I said, next step, new fish. We're gonna add a couple more. Hopefully I can get, oh yeah,
More
we
black
need some
mollies.
algae eaters again.
Oh yeah.
So we need to get a couple, like 2 algae eaters, 2 pooper scoopers. Those are the Cory cats. She named them pooper scooper because they eat the food on the bottom. And then I want to get another one of,
Mickey's?
no, not the Mickey, but that one.
Neon?
That
No, Black Molly?
not the black molly. This guy right here.
I don't know what that called.
I think it's a molly too. This polka dot one. I like how he look. I like the color.
Okay.
So, yeah, that's the plan. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you got any questions, let us know. So, yeah, this is our tank, 20 gallon, and we enjoy having it. And see you on the next one.